Designed to replace conventional hydraulic gate hinges, closers, and header arrangements, SureClose is a better solution that costs less. D&D Technologies, the leader in high-performance hardware, offers the SureClose hydraulic hinge and closer all in one. This precision product is an innovative, cost-effective solution to cumbersome, heavy-duty, and commercial gate hinges and separate closers. SureClose has a significantly smaller footprint than other competitive hinges and closing devices. That's because the patented design allows all the working hydraulics to be concealed inside the post. Constructed of high-grade aluminum and stainless steel, SureClose offers greater strength and smoother operation than traditional commercial hinges for lasting performance. They're also versatile. There are flush mount and center mount options available, allowing mounting to many types of metal gates using either screw-on or weld-on brackets. Dual thrust bearings in each hinge allow heavy gate loads of up to 1,500 pounds and a self-closing weight of up to 260 pounds, so they're ideal for all kinds of commercial and high-traffic gates. Gate closing speed or final snap closing action can all be fine-tuned, reducing slamming noise, providing reliable gate latching, and extending gate life. SureClose are designed to replace conventional hinges in hundreds of common commercial applications, from schools and childcare centers to apartments, gated communities, hotels, shopping centers, resorts, even high-end pool gates. The 3 standard models, with either screw-on or weld-on mounting brackets, can handle almost any application. Some models feature the final snap close action for overcoming electric or coded locks. There's even a non-self-closing model, ideal for large estate gates. Each SureClose hinge comes with a gate mounting bracket. Post mounting brackets are sold separately so that you can choose what's right for your specific application. Discover how SureClose sets a new standard for commercial-style self-closing hinges and closers. For more on the extensive range of D&D latches, locks, and hinges, simply visit ddtechglobal.com.